Olive oil and vegetable oil are two kitchen staples, but they're far from interchangeable. Understanding their differences is key to mastering your cooking. What exactly is the difference? Simply put, it comes down to processing, composition, and ultimately how you use them in your kitchen. You won't regret watching this video. Let's begin with olive oil. This oil is extracted from olives, the fruit of the olive tree. It's most famous for its extra virgin variety, which is the least processed. This means it retains more of its natural flavor and health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, known to be heart healthy, and antioxidants, which fight free radicals in your body. You'll also find virgin and refined olive oils, which undergo more processing, resulting in a milder flavor and higher smoke point. The key takeaway: olive oil, especially extra virgin, is all about flavor and health benefits. How about vegetable oil? If you don't mind, we would appreciate it if you could take a few moments and subscribe to our channel for future update. Like this video and tell us in the comment pane which of the oil you like most. Now, let's talk about vegetable oil. This is where things get a bit broader. Vegetable oil isn't a single oil. It's typically a blend of oils such as soybean, corn, canola, or sunflower. These oils are usually highly refined, meaning they go through a process that removes impurities, resulting in a neutral flavor and a high smoke point. This makes vegetable oil a very versatile option, suitable for a wide range of cooking methods. The primary difference between these two oils boils down to two factors: flavor and smoke point. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, offers a distinct, often fruity or peppery flavor. This makes it ideal for dishes where you want the oil to contribute to the overall taste, like dressings, dips, and low-heat sautéing. Vegetable oil, on the other hand, is neutral. This means it won't overpower your other ingredients, making it perfect for baking, frying, and high-heat cooking. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and smoke. Olive oil has a moderate smoke point, while vegetable oil has a high smoke point, making it more suitable for high-heat cooking methods. So, when should you use each oil? For dishes where flavor and health benefits are paramount and you're cooking at low to medium heat, olive oil is your best choice. Think salads, dressings, and gentle sautéing. If you're frying, baking, or cooking at high temperatures, vegetable oil is the way to go. Its neutral flavor and high smoke point make it a reliable workhorse in the kitchen. If you need a simple rule, olive oil for flavor, vegetable oil for function. In conclusion, both olive oil and vegetable oil have their place in your kitchen. Understanding their key differences will help you make informed choices and elevate your cooking. Consider the cooking method, the desired flavor, and your dietary needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy cooking!